Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix cannot delete the voice memos data from iPhone storage. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reporting to how to fix cannot delete the voice memos data from your iPhone and iPad storage. Now the iPhone users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad and Android. In this tutorial, I give you some solutions for cannot delete the voice memos data from your iPhone storage. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. Now the first one solution is most important for the iPhone users. Now first of all, open the settings app. Now first one is your name. Now please make sure tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on the iCloud. In iCloud, find out the voice memos option is available. If you turn on this toggle, now please make sure turn off it on your iPhone settings as well as iPad settings. This iCloud settings done, after again come back in home screens and find out the voice memos applications. Now press and hold. After last option is delete app. So guys, this way too you can easily delete the voice memos from your iPhone storage. Now the second solution is most important for the iPhone and iPad users. Now the first of all is open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on the find out the voice memos option. In the voice memos, you can see also clear deleted option is available. Now the select anyone you can like options. Now please select that one. After again come back in home screens. This way too you can easily fix your problems. If the one and second solutions is not working, then go for the third one solutions. Now the third one solution is reset all settings on your iPhone and iPad settings. Now first of all, open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, second last option is transfer and reset iPhone. Now please make sure tap on it. Now tap on the reset. In reset, you can see also first option is reset all settings. Now enter your correct passcode and now again tap on the reset all settings on your iPhone and iPad. This way too you can easily fix the cannot delete the voice memos from your iPhone storage. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.